The Lord said to Colton, "Beest thou good, lest thy mighty father fall on him."
Here's perfection. Here's your perfection. Yeah. But we'll see.
Yeah, he's awesome.
And action.
And when the master of the house is risen and shut to the door, you will stand without, and you will knock, and you will say, "Lord, Lord, let us in." And he will say, "I know not where ye are. I know not where ye are." The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leadeth me to lie down by green pastures. He restoreth my soul.
Good.
That's a cut.
Excellent. That was great. That was really good. Okay, let's do the last one. What's the last one? Trying to gather in our together. Okay, let's do the gather. What's this time?
Listen, they're actually going to have blood dripping from the wrists, so let them, you can go ahead and take that for a rest for a second.
All the way, bring it down, bring it all the way to the corner, and take it down.
Since you were a little baby colt, I wanted
Stand here.
you, of course. Not to me.
It's okay.
I bought you a Mustang.
Yeah, I'll get
It's
it.
a large engine, in case it crashed. But no, you grew.
How many bucks you got up?
Wouldn't crash it.
Yes.
Let me see.
Since I was born, I've been wanting to do this to you too.
You're supposed to have respect for your father, for heaven's sake.
One more. Up. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go.
And we kind of got that call. I just wanted to get that there out. And then I'm going to be going to get 10 or 15 seconds. Here we go. Let's be able to read the sign.